Here we are at the beautiful San Juan Royal Sinesta. Beautiful pool area. Pool bar. Restaurants and hotel.
I'll take a video.
Very cool. Look at him. Yeah. Yeah. Welcome to Norwegian Epic, everybody. As we're getting ready to disembark at 7 o'clock at night. The back of the ship.
They win next week in Philadelphia, somehow loses the next 2 games. Then all of a sudden, Dallas would be the 1 seed, or the 2 seed, or the 3 seed. It could be any of those, which is a gigantic difference from being the 5 seed. Anyway, Dak Prescott and company, 283 yards. They win the game, do the Cowboys 27-13. Chris and the guys will be wrapping things up from Nashville on the Google Pixel post-game show right after the session.
Very cool architecture as we walk through. Back of the ship, deck 15. Plenty of tables. It leads right to the rock climbing wall. Lights are before you get into where you go for dinner. So here we have the entrance to the Headliners Club, where they do comedy. Comedy club in there. Beautiful paintings here as they do shows. They do a circus show. As we come through to the theaters, through. There's one theater right there. Watch a show in the circus. Elevators. And they got the Epic Theater. Watch a circus show, you watch some dance shows. We got things like Burn the Floor, who saw that? The Epic Beatles, Priscilla. Excellent show. And it's also a Christmas cruise. More Christmas going on here. We got an Irish bar, Musiscians, and they got bowling in the back as well. Let's check it out. Nice Irish bar. Get your own bowling shoes. And what you do, and you go for it. 3 lanes. And here's your restaurant here. It's open 24/7.
Well, he's gonna be an NFL. He's gonna learn how to play.
Memorabilia in this bar. That's your own barber shop. Another bar down there. Steakhouse. Welcome to beautiful Aruba, everybody. Just made it in from Norwegian Epic. Arrived in Aruba. Let's go have some fun. Welcome everyone to a beautiful Arashi beach. We'll be doing some snorkeling today. But as you can see, look at that awesome blue water. We'll be going out there, doing some snorkeling and seeing some fish. Beautiful. Beautiful here in Aruba. So here in Aruba, they're known for their local markets. So right off the cruise ship, as you can see, you can buy a bunch of things here. That represents Aruba, t-shirts, hats, snorkel gear, whatever you need. One big happy island. That's right, everybody. Let's go look at some shops. Lovely shops. Lovely shops. Norwegian epic. Just arrived in Curacao. About to do a dolphin excursion. Let's go have a good time, everybody.
The oldest is 40, and now bring your hand down. The youngest is 8.
40? Wow.
Very good. Nice, Nata. Okay, Ava, we're going to try that dance. This way. Right over the surface of the water. Emma's going to pop up. Put her fins right to your hand. She'll hold fins, and it's a little hinge. Is that good? Show 2 hands right in front. Very good. And just let's raise your hands up and wave. Very good.
Good job.
Oh, sure. I know. I saw you. That was excellent. Let's do another one. Ready? So 2 hands in. Let's try it again.
Wave.
We understand.
Wave. Stingray waves to us. Wave.
There he goes. Whoa.
Welcome to beautiful Grenada, everybody. As we're pulling into port. Grenada, let's go check it out. Beautiful Grenada. Beach. Very tropical. A lot of water activities. A lot of mountains too. Beautiful Grenada. Beautiful rainbow. So here we are off the boat in St. Lucia. Norwegian epic. We just landed here. Nice little marketplace to do some shopping. And we're gonna go on a tram tour overlooking the island. But beautiful so far. The sun's coming out. Beautiful palm trees. And we also got this guy sleeping over here. All right, let's go have some fun. So here we are at the top of a mountain in St. Lucia. A little bit of rain, but there's a beautiful boat. See it right there, docked in, as we make our trek around the island. So here we go, everybody. So here we come from the top of St. Lucia. This is what we call the $1 million view, everybody. Take a good look. 40,000 people live in the city. We got roosters. Yeah. So we're gonna try this Tanova. And what's made of? What's in there?
Coconut cinnamon.
Oh. Flour, sugar, and all sorts of good things. Maria gave it to us.
Mari.
Mari. I'll get it right. Okay. So we're gonna give this a shot. We're gonna try to eat it. Very good. Soft center. It's like a pastry. Really is. A local pastry. And you get the view. Not bad for $2.
Chicken.
You're taking off with lettuce? Everybody. Yes, it is raining. You come in here, you're doing shots. Wow, my best friend. Now the locals. How many push ladies? Push ladies. In the rainforest, they give us coconut. So good. Got my walking stick. I'm ready to go. Welcome to beautiful St. Kitts, everybody. Let's do a little touring as we just got off the Norwegian epic. We're on our way. We're gonna have some fun. Let's do it. Caribbean Sea, the Atlantic, and the Caribbean. Yes. We're on the neck of the island. Yep. We're going on the end where this shit is Welcome to the beautiful St. Kitts. Do some snorkeling. Distance, you'll see Nevis. So we're a private island here. Get ready to go. So we're wrapping up our day in St. Kitts. We're on our way back to the ship after a beautiful day at the beach. Oh, it was so much fun. Now we're heading to the market and we're gonna walk our way back, everybody. Walk our way back to the market. And if you're from the New England area, you may know that we have a place called Cheers. Well, here in St. Kitts, they got their version of Cheers. And yes, everybody knows your name, yes. Fairmount El San Juan Hotel. As we're walking through, to the outside, they have a banyan tree, which is amazing. What a huge tree, the banyan. Love it, love it. So a beautiful area with 3 pools. Yes. Make our way in. One of 3 pools here. Got a fitness center right above there. El San Juan. This is 1 pool. But they're beautiful, beautiful restaurant right here. There's my beach ball. I'll come back for that. And we got a couple of bars in the pool. Isn't that very cool? Beautiful water fountains. Look at that view, everybody.